Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog whitening shampoos for Bright, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wall White Pear Brightening Shampoo for Pets. Catlin notes that Wall brand grooming products are some of her favorites. Wall's Whitening Shampoo uses a color enhancer to bring out your dog's white fur. Full of plant-derived ingredients like pear and coconut oil, Wall's Whitening Shampoo is a more natural alternative to chemical-laden whitening shampoos. It's alcohol-free, paraben-free, and pH-balanced. This shampoo is highly concentrated, so pet parents only need to use a small amount to create a good lather. The shampoo rinses to leave a brighter coat, and if your dog has any color in their coat, it will enhance those colors too. This formula was designed for dogs with sensitive skin and allergies. Moving on at number 4, we have the BioSilk for Dogs Whitening Shampoo. BioSilk Silk Therapy Shampoo for Dogs uses a bluing formula and is made with natural silk proteins and vitamins that clean your dog's white coat while keeping it moisture balanced. It's specially designed to leave your dog with a soft and silky coat, which we think makes it a nice choice for long-haired breeds. Like many whitening shampoos, BioSilk Silk Therapy is paraben and sulfate-free and should still be safe for use if your dog is being treated for sensitive skin. This shampoo is formulated for dogs 8 weeks and older. At number 3, we have the Nature's Miracle Whitening Shampoo and Conditioner. Like many whitening shampoos, Nature's Miracle Whitening Shampoo and Conditioner uses a brightening agent to whiten coats. But unlike many whitening shampoos, it also helps to eliminate the post-bath, wet dog, smell. We love their enzymatic laundry detergent for dog beds for precisely this reason. This particular product uses calendula extract, aloe vera, keratin, and coconut oil to soften, whiten, and reduce odors. It's also safe for dogs with sensitive skin and for dogs over 6 weeks old. At number 2, we have the Veterinary Formula Solutions Snow White Shampoo. Veterinary Formula Snow White Shampoo uses a combination of bluing and optical brighteners to eliminate the appearance of yellowing, dingy fur and brighten white coats. This shampoo is formulated with coconut oil cleansers, vitamin E, and green tea extract. Catlin recommends using a whitening shampoo at most every 3 to 4 weeks, and this shampoo can provide a long-lasting bright coat. This formula contains no bleach or peroxide and is safe to use on skin that has been spot treated. And finally at number 1, we have the Bio-Groom Super Whitening Dog Shampoo. Bio-Groom Coat Brightener Shampoo uses brighteners to intensify lighter coats and an absorbable soy protein to produce a rich shine. In addition to moisturizing, this shampoo helps to create more body in your dog's coat. This product is cruelty-free and, like a lot of whitening shampoos, makes liberal use of coconut oil. Bio-Groom is both paraben and soap-free, which makes it an especially safe choice for puppies. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon